Hello LKG kids. Now let's see how to do the week 4 worksheets for the month of June. Are you all ready? Let's start. In this sheet, you have to connect all the uppercase and lowercase d starting from the circle at the top and reach the square at the bottom. You have to connect only letter D but not any other letter and reach the square at the bottom like this. In this sheet, we are going to read some words that starts with D. What letter is this? D. D makes the sound D. D, duck. D, dog. D, dove. D, drum. In this sheet, circle all the pictures that has the same beginning sound as the one given in box. What is given in the box? Dog. Dog starts with D. So, we have to circle the pictures that starts with D sound. Drum. Drum starts with D. So, we have to circle drum. Jacket. Does jacket starts with D? No. So, do not circle it. Duck. Duck starts with D. So, we have to circle duck. Donkey. Donkey starts with D. So, we have to circle donkey picture. Acorn. Does acorn starts with D? No. So, do not circle it. Dinosaur. Dinosaur starts with D. So, we have to circle dinosaur. In this sheet, shade the letter that comes after the following series. What is the given series? B, C. Which letter comes after C? Does D comes after C? Yes. So, now to shade the letter D. Follow the same steps for the other questions and finish the sheet. Before going to the next sheet, let me do an exercise and explain you a concept. Here, I'm going to color only the pictures that are not the same as the picture on the left. Not the same means different. So, I'm going to color the pictures that are different from the one given on the left. Let me show you. What picture is this? Apple. So, I'm going to color the other pictures than apple. I'm going to color the different ones. What is this? Banana. Banana is different from apple, right? So, I'm going to color banana. This is apple. I'm not going to color it because it's the same. I'm going to color only the different ones. What fruit is this? Strawberry. As it is the different one, I'm going to color strawberry. It's not same as apple, right? So keep in mind, I'm coloring the picture that is different from the one given on the left. I'm not coloring the same ones. This is apple. As it is the same on the left, I'm not going to color it. What picture is this? Car. We are going to color only the different ones. This is car. As it is the same, I'm not going to color it. This is train. Train is different from car. As I'm going to color the different ones, as I said, I'm going to color train. This picture is car. As it is the same as the one given on the left, I'm not going to color it. I'm going to color only the different ones. What picture is this? Truck. As it is different from car, I'm going to color the truck picture. Follow the same rules while doing the next page. In this sheet, color only the pictures that do not match with the sound of the letter on the left. Do not match means different. As I explained you with an exercise, there we colored the different pictures. Here we are going to apply it for the letter sounds. Let me explain you. What letter is this? A. A makes the sound A. So here we have to color the pictures that do not start with A sound. What picture is this? Bell. Bell starts with B, not A. So it's different. So we have to color the bell picture. What picture is this? Axe. Axe starts with A as it is the same sound of the letter given on the left. We are not going to color it. Ant. Ant starts with A, which is the same sound of the letter given on the left. So we are not going to color it. Bed. Bed starts with B, not A. So it's different. So we are going to color the bed. Let me explain you with another example. What letter is this? D. D makes the sound D. So you have to color the pictures that do not start with D. What picture is this? Dog. Dog starts with D, which is the same sound of the letter given on the left. So do not color the dog picture. Camel. Camel starts with K, not D. As it is a different sound, we have to color camel. What picture is this? Ball. Ball starts with B, not D. So it starts with different sound. I am coloring it. Doll. Doll starts with D sound, which is the same sound of the letter given on the left. So do not color it. In this sheet, connect all the fours starting from the circle at the top and reach the square at the bottom. We have to connect only number 4 but not any other number and reach the square at the bottom like this. In this sheet, circle all the boxes that has the same number of objects as the number in the given box. What is the number in the box? It is number 4. So we have to circle all the boxes that has 4 objects. Let's check the first box. How many bags? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bags. So we have to circle this box. How many cats? 1, 2. So do not circle this box. How many vans? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to circle this box. How many men? 1, 2, 3. Do not circle this box. How many sand? 1. So do not circle this box. How many flower pots? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to circle this box. In this sheet, shade the correct missing number in the following series. What is the given series? 1, 2. Which is the missing number? Does 2 comes in the missing place? No. Does 3 comes in the missing place? Yes. So we have to shade number 3. Follow the same rules for the other versions and finish the page. Let's recite the numbers 1 to 20. Come on, everybody repeat with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. In this sheet, color the healthy food. Here, vegetables and fruits are given. They are all healthy. So, you have to color the healthy food in this page. That's the end. Bye-bye, kids.